Rather than having to manually type out the same line items for common tasks and charges, Guest Engineer software allows you to create templates for future use. These templates can be used for both quotes and invoices and can be created, edited, and used on the web portal and mobile app. In this quick guide, I'll show you how you can set up your custom templates and use them in your day-to-day job, starting with the web portal. So to begin, and for the purposes of this video, we're going to be creating a quote, but note that the process is exactly the same for an invoice. Once we've opened up our new quote and opened up this editor, we're going to want to click the Add Item button down here in the bottom left underneath the line item section. Instead of typing out a manual description, unit, price, and VAT here, we're going to click on the Use Template button in the bottom left. This opens up the line item template pop-up. What we can do here is click on Select Template and then Create New Template. If we had already saved templates like we do on this test account, this is where you would simply select them and it will auto-populate all the information. But for now, we're going to create a new one. So we're going to give it a test name and test description, and then give it a quantity and a unit price and a VAT percentage. Note that we can't click Use Template yet because we haven't saved this new template. So what we're going to want to do first is click the blue Save button down here. Now that it's saved, and you can see in the pop-up in the bottom right, we can use this template. Once we click Use Template, that auto-fills the template's information in this new line item. If we wanted to then change the units, we can, and this will change for this particular line item without updating the template itself. Once we click Save, it will be added to our quote. If we wanted to edit a line item template, what we would have to do is click on the Use Template button again, go to our template, and then let's say we wanted to change the unit price for this example. You then have to click Save on this line item template pop-up. That will then update the template for all future use. You can see here, it's added the new one. And that's about it. So now we're going to move on to the mobile app. So just like on the web portal, using line item templates from the mobile app is easy and simple. For the purposes of this video, we're going to be creating a quote again. So we'll do that and head to the editor really quick. On the mobile app, so you can either tap on this big box in the center for your first line item, or you can click the plus button up here in the top right. This is where you would edit and add your information for a custom line item. To use a template, simply click on the Use Template button in the top. Over here, you'll see all your currently saved templates, but in your case, if you haven't gotten it yet, you can simply click on the plus in the top right-hand corner to create a new one. We can give it another name, give it a quantity, give it a description, a price, and a VAT, and then click Save. So now we have our list of templates. If we wanted to use one, we would simply just click on it. Again, here, just like on the web portal, once you've selected a template, before you add it to your quote or invoice, you can make some final adjustments for this particular quote or invoice. In this case, we're not going to do that, so we're going to click Save, and you can see it's added to our quote. If we wanted to edit the line item template, we could simply click on the plus, Use Template, and then click on one of these little pencil edit icons over here. So if I do that for the one we just created, I can just add some edits and then click Save. And from now on, that change will be reflected anytime I use the template, as you can see there. And that's about it. You can have as many line item templates as you like, and you can edit and use them as you please. Thanks for watching.